Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of connection problem on the application of a Royal Match. We go to settings as you see and we click. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will click in this sign or in this page on a Royal Match. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.